ang dami ko nagme-message sa amin.
Dami nagtatag.
Oh my God. So we are here now at the parking slot. Hello.
Ang dilim day.
Te, ito oh.
Hi, hello. Hello, canceled fam. What's up, canceled fam? Nandito na naman po tayo ngayon sa isang ganap ng SB19 here, of course, with the unauthorized, unbothered, and uncut. This is Matt Summer TV live from the Mall of Asia Arena.
We're going to talk about all the aspects of this concert, especially the performers,
Anong
diba?
concert ba yan? Concert ka ng concert? Anong concert ba yan?
Acer
Ay,
Day.
sir ba? Kala mo ibang concert pang naganap eh, no?
Oo. Now let's talk about the stage setup. What can you say about the stage?
Well, initially naman talaga, I would have to admit, parang it's not the stereotypical stage that we see whenever we go to concerts. There's not much, there's really no LED walls. Pero ako, I was kind of wishing na wala talagang LED wall kasi for the longest run, for the past concerts that we've been in or that we've watched, parang parati nang nagiging staple na yung LED wall.
Yeah.
Actually, yung LED wall lang talaga, hindi na naka-design na LED wall. And you know what I'm talking about.
And then, parang we were expecting kung walang LED wall, or we're going to see that nagmumurang Acer event ito by the use of props, stage designs. But we were talaga medyo nabiglarang kami nung nakita namin medyo austere looking. Yung but you know what?
It really makes sense.
It makes sense when nagpe-play sila ng mga AVP nila about the environment na, wait, huwag muna nating i-judge kasi hindi pa nag-work yung mga lighting materials sila on the stage. And you know, we were surprised during the opening kung ano pa rin nagagawa ng mga LED lights sa likod.
And I mean, apart from that, honestly I would have to say this, they look like bacteria sa likod.
Ay, ako parang as a Marvel fan, pag nagiging yellowish na siya.
Hindi, di ba nung una kasi green lang siya?
Oo, nung una pag nagiging yellowish na siya. Parang akala ko darating na si Doctor Strange.
Pero iba yung nagawa niya nung sumasama na siya sa mga performances.
They're really environment friendly. Kumaga, there's not much electricity consumption siguro, I assume.
Yeah.
In contrast with the LED wall.
And I think yung mga ilaw doon, it's gonna be reusable.
Sure.
Sans the props or the stage design.
I mean, if you're really gonna advocate for the environment, your event should really speak na it's for the environment.
Yeah. At saka yung LED na ginamit nila during the show, yung LED na nandun na sa MOA Arena, yung scoreboard.
True.
Yeah, so, it was in a very good mood for Acer.
It
Diba?
was very environment friendly.
Now let's talk about...
Maldita ang puta.
Oo.
Paul, ikaw ba yan?
The opening.
The opening! With the LED umbrellas,
Yes.
yung mga suot nilang LED. Alam mo na, electrify talaga ako doon. Sa
Parang
opening.
electrify?
Krrrr, char.
Ang
Iba pala yun.
Ako
Iba pa-
naman parang tuwan-tuwa na batang ganun nakakita ng sobrang makulay. Alam mo yun?
Ako, usually naman talaga, kahit na anong program na ginagawa natin even before, a must ang opening number. Natuwa lang ako kasi I thought parang ano gagawin ng mga to? Tapos alam mo yan eh, pag naka-tights and leotards, yung costume nung high school ka or even nung college, alam mong medyo interpretative dance ang atake. Pero nakakatuwa naman. It made sense na, tapos I mean with the addition of the props, it was a very superb number.
Yeah, I agree. And, you know, doon sa opening, parang hindi ko in-expect na gagawin to ni Acer. Parang sabi ko, hala, mayroon pala tayong aabang opening. Even though ang dami na magpo-perform. Diba? Now, before we move on, let's talk about muna kung sino yung master of the ceremony, Robbie Domingo himself.
at this crowd. This is it.
Naku, si Robbie, ilang beses ko na ito napanood mag-host ng iba't ibang produksyon.
Yeah.
I mean, pageant, PBB, ASAP, everywhere game show, and now Acer Day. Parang staple na talaga siya dito. So I don't expect less from Robbie Domingo.
And he
Yeah.
did not deliver less. Din
Yeah.
naman. Oh, ibig sabihin pala ako, he kept on reiterating na the kings of P-pop.
Pero,
I think, alam naman natin yung history ni Robbie with the boys.
Yeah.
And speaking of the boys, SB19 open when it comes to the list and the roster of performers. Silang naumpisa.
Totoo
At
naman.
do you think it's a good idea na sila yung pinakanta ng Live It Up dun sa umpisa?
ay best, right after,
It is.
sinabi ko agad sa'yo. Sabi ko, ay, guan man. I
Purple.
mean,
Kasi alam mo kung bakit.
good decision.
Pinakalma yung 18 eh. Kasi there was, of course, anticipation, umuulan sa labas, di ba, the nerve. And then, sabi siguro ni Acer, pameriendahin kaya muna natin
True.
itong mga to. Boom! Live it up by, SB19.
Okay.
On the stage, it's time to live it up with SB19.
So live your golden way.
Okay din naman kasi majority naman ng audience. I mean, a lot of artists were there, but let's face it.
Okay.
Majority of those who comprise the audience are 18.
Oo. I think it will be, it will be parang sobrang humble naman or humbog na pag sinabi natin na parang hindi majority doon ay 18.
True.
It is really 18 na nandun. At alam nila yung lahat. Kasi alam mo yung there are artists na saying nga parang, oy, yung mga 18 dyan.
Sila na mismo nagsabi.
Sila na mismo nagsabi. Even Parokya, di ba?
Could have been different had Sarah G been
Be
there.
there. Oo. Eto na nga, ako lang may things to lang ako, parang would have preferred this way. Sana after the electrifying opening, dapat, kasi nandun yung hype eh, idiniretso sa Live It Up, and then converge, and then end it with a bang, boom! And now your host, Mr. Robbie Domingo. Parang feeling ko lang ganon, best.
Pwede din. It could have been...
Kasi anong nangyari, after
An
the
alternate.
electrifying opening, Robbie was there to talk to the crowd, and then, syempre, nag-settle na tayo from the electrifying opening. And then, we're not prepared, SB19! Pero, for me, as someone na mahilig manood ng mga live events, sana it's a total opening number. Na talagang mapapatayo ka, mapapaindak ka, and then, settle ka with Robbie.
Could have been an alternate opening number, yeah. Pero ako, it worked out for me naman as well, either way. Then next, oh my God, the one and only My Baby.
true.
Oh, tayo kitro ka dyan, akin na yun, ako na una.
Important ko na nga siya dun sa The One and Only My Baby. Ayaw.
The one, the only rising, ano bang sabihin sa kanya?
Spotify star.
True, Spotify star, Adi.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Namumungkat ka ng aking liga.
Ah, my God, it was my first time seeing him live. Pero it was also parang, dalawang song lang.
Oo. Alam mo si Adi, siya pala yun. Laging ganun yung aking siya pala yun. So,
True.
ang galing ni Adi in a sense na
Yeah.
siya lang mag-isa sa gitna ng napakalaking venue. And then, kakanta ka.
O yun, fair props din sa niya, sa musician niya. Sa guitarist niya, na nasa side niya. Natuwa ako kasi nakakasabay siya. Kasi may mga binanat si Adi na kakaiba eh. I mean like, he tried to change the arrangement of his song kahit pa paano. Ikaw, nakasabay ka ba sa kanta? Puro palaseto yun, te.
Wala, in-enjoy ko na lang.
Narinig ko yung mga taas sa paligid ko, taas! Taas! Tapos, sinabi ko pa, ay, hirap kantahin ito sa karaoke.
True.
So, Adi, congrats. And I know you'll sell out stadium like arena like MOA in the future, no?
Yeah.
Parang siyang Ed Sheeran.
Actually.
kayang bumirit, kayang mag-perform sa ganito kalaking crowd. Kasi sometimes artists like Adi, kailangan sa ballroom to. Kailangan sa isang
Kasi
function hall to na
stereotype.
very intimate lang, Mes.
Malay mo, no, mag-ano na rin siya, mag-produce na rin siya ng mga katulad ni Ed Sheeran songs na medyo pop vibes. Former is, eto honestly ha, hindi ko sila kilala. Though I know...
The three of them?
Yeah, the three of them, hindi ko sila kilala.
CLR,
Yo, and
Yo,
Awi.
Awi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Though familiar naman ako sa mga ganitong type ng music, I don't know I don't know what specific genre you call them. Pero na-enjoy ko sila, in fair.
Actually, doon ako, gusto kong i-comment si Acer na parang Acer gave the avenue for the other artists to showcase their
Talent on
talent.
such a big stage.
Kasi at the same time, yung tatlong yun yung binanggit namin, si CLR,
Yo,
si Yo, at si Awi. Iba't iba yung nila, yung atake ng boses nila. Tapos nung one time, there was one
Di ba may
time...
crush ka dun?
Huh? Tapos there was one time na nag-duet silang tatlo, di ba? So parang ako, ay, ang bongga. Iba't iba yung kanilang mga quality ng boses, tapos isang kanta.
Oo. At saka pati, siguro this is Acer way of saying na this is the future. Diba, future-looking yung company namin. And of course, we're catering to the next generation.
Truth.
Diba? Pero nabigla ako doon sa isang taga-team pa yaman na. Ang ganda ng boses niya, pero yung comedy attack niya in between,
May
parang
pa rin siya.
refreshing naman talaga ang take din ni Kuya Yo. Team pa yaman siya, di ba? Tapos nag-vlog siya. So, kudos. At doon sa kay CLR at kay Awi. Grabe. May kinanta siyang song na from the may kinanta siyang first cover song.
Yeah, na medyo TikTok trend.
Oo, sobrang galing ni ate. Sobrang ganda ni ate. At sinabi nga niya na parang kung tinanggap daw niya itong gig na to, she thought it was a mall show lang, kaya kaya niya to. Hindi niya akalaing mawari na. Pero girl, yung itsura mo hindi pang mall show lang. Ay, pwede pang mawari na. Sabi nga namin eh.
Tsaka yung boses.
Oh, yung boses. Ang ganda.
Very ano ba siya? Very, anong tawag dito sa type ng genre na to? MYMP vibes.
Parang MYMP Nina at saka si CT
True.
nag-mix. Sobrang ganda ng boses mo, ate. And it was really relaxing naman yung boses. Parang, oh my God. Ang gagaling, kudos din sa dun sa sound system nilang ginamit. It was not perfect in a sense na parang there are times pag sabay-sabay ang mga tao na perform medyo parang hindi ko gusto yung blending ng instrumental at ng vocal, pero di sila nagka-problema.
Yes.
Walang technical difficulty na makikita mo yung artist nagsa-struggle, yung artist na hindi sabay dun sa instrumental. So,
nagkakaroon lang minsan ng banggaan lang na yung mic at saka speaker.
Yeah, echo.
May ganun
may
lang,
feedback.
pero naman.
Tolerable.
Yeah.
It's very tolerable. At kaming mga nasa upper box, rinig namin sila. That's the good thing about that. So, congratulations, Ate Janine. Eto ibabrowse ko yung kanya Spotify songs. Pwede ko mapakinggan sa kanya. Ang galing-galing.
Next in line, we have Sue.
Sino man sila. Thank you so much, guys. We are Sue.
Alam ko yung kanta nila
Sabi
yun.
Metallica? Sabi Metallica?
Ko lang nag-Metallica,
Nasa Amerika yung Metallica.
May isang nag-Metallica sis.
Baka yung dun sa tatlo yun.
Sa tatlo
CLR
yun!
Yung
Okay, sorry.
Hindi namin ito
nakajanin
ikakat.
na tayo. Next in line, we have Sud. Alam ko yung pinaka nag-hit nilang kanta, which is Sila. Yun naman talaga eh. Kumbaga, I think most of the people in the arena were very familiar with the song. Pero ito, plot twist. First, I've been saying SUD all along, thinking that it's an acronym. Yung pala Sud talaga yung name niya. And yung main art, yung lead nila, si Sud. Sud talaga yung name niya. Doon ko lang nalaman. Nakakatuwa lang in the sense na Sud had, minsan, eto ha, let's be, I will, or if not let's, if I will be completely honest, hindi sila yung bandang inaabangan ng lahat. But they were such a good compliment dun sa lineup. Kasi na-stimulate nila yung oras sa audience eh. Kumbaga, ito such a good build-up up until the end. Tapos, alam mo naman ang sumunod sa Sud, Parokya.
Wala akong masabi sa parokya, but
Grabe.
salamat parokya. Alam mo, ito lagi kong naano sa parokya ni Edgar, ha? They're going to perform and give them 5 to 6 songs. Kulang pa yun sa hits nila.
Sure.
Talagang may maiiwan kang favorite, hindi pwedeng sabihin mo, parokya, napakinggan ko na lahat ng gusto kong mapakinggan. No!
Pero best, napagbigyan ng iyong favorite.
True! Alin?
Your song.
Sabi ko pa nga sa kanya, binabasag ko pa siya. Sabi niya, sana i-play naman your song. Ay, feeling ko hindi na i-play yung your song kasi ano na yun, nagbalad na sila. Biglang
Biglang
suk!
One look.
Diyos ko, ang ating mga karaoke faves talaga from Parokya. And we've also had this discussion during our time in MOA na I think their stage presence really have developed during the time that, you know, they've been
Through the
performing
years, no?
through the years.
Parang doon ko masasabi na the true musician talaga is the one who connects with the audience, not just with their song. Kasi, ato po ha, may mga tita kasi ako at tito na mahilig kay Regine, kay Martin, kay Gary V, and all of them are their own master of ceremony.
Yeah.
When I say that, in between songs or during break, sila mismo yung nag-entertain sa
Hindi na nila
audience.
kailangan ng host.
Oo, so parang ako para sa akin importante 'yun na. Hindi naman kasi sila yung the typical pop stars na may act, 'di ba? They are Filipino and iba yan talaga yung trait ng mga OPM, no. You try to engage the audience and that's what I'm seeing with our parokya ni Edgar. Grabe, walang buckle, walang
Yes.
dead air.
Let's not forget to mention ang audience participation
Participation.
sa bagsakan. Tsaka saan yung isang kantang yun? Yung may Chinese na sinasabi mo? The audience participation from the audience, what can you say?
Nabigla ako kay ate. Ito yung typical na ayaw ko po kumanta. Pero nung kumanta, kabisado yung lyrics.
Medyo kabado nga ako for her eh. Kasi parang yung itsura niya, opo. Parang very, ang tawag dito, very held back nung pag kinakausap siya ng Chito. Oh, but, the good thing with Chito as an artist is, relax ka lang ha, kaya natin to, sasamahan kita mag-perform sa stage. Parang it was more of like that.
And ito ha, Chito were able to tap into one of the things that every concert should improve. Yung artist kasi, they are stimulated by the audience itself. Yung VIP kasi, I'm not saying na hindi nila deserve maupo doon, but I'm saying that they are really siguro elite.
Yeah.
Elite part of the community. Siguro talaga nandun sponsor, vloggers, news outlets. So, sila yung inilapit doon. So, the most enthusiastic crowds are in the upper and lower box and in the GA. So, parang si Chito, before mag-start,
Lapit kayo.
nakiusap siya. Lapit kayo. Basta, siguraduhin lang natin na hindi kayo magkakasakitan, walang magiging problema. And then after the song, he checked on the crowd, no, whether are you okay ba? O okay naman po, parang signaling to the organizer siguro, wala namang problema. Pero, you know, he has a point with that. Kasi, all of us in the upper level or dun sa medyo malayo sa stage, we're partying.
Gusto
Pero
na nga namin
kami yung
talaga
sinusuway.
makipag-rakrakan
Kami yung sinusuway doon ng mga marshals kasi delikado. Pero yung makikita mo doon sa baba, it's nakaupo, seated. Oo. So parang, yun. Napagbigyan naman si Chito and the crowd was wild.
Yeah.
Ito yung party, ito yung concert, no?
True.
And,
Wait lang, may bagsakan pa tayo.
ang galing ng dalawa.
nagkumanta ng part ni
Ni
Glock 9.
Glock 9.
Fierce. As
Truth.
in, the stage presence is there. Actually, minsan, di ba sa audience, baka mamaya napapasubo ka lang, sino may alam ng bagsakan?
True.
Ako! Tapos, ang ending, hindi mo pala alam yung bagsakan pag nandun ka, pero the two of them, alam nila ang bagsakan. And yung part na kumanta ni Francis Magalona, ni Kiko, nakasalubong namin siya sa backstage. Jowa pala siya ni Ate Girl Gamer. Yung isang...
Nag-act out
Oo,
na
nag-act out
na Loti.
na Loti. Let's put it that way. And, you know, he's cute ha, Chinito.
Parang yung Constantino song yun ah. Okay, without further ado, the final performer
Yes.
of the night.
The Kings of Bebop, SV19!
Sa pag-hold ng event na ito. Maraming natutulungan itong project na ito. At syempre, we need to start this kind of movement.
Kasi, what naman talaga ang best opening I
Yeah.
mean, with
To
the
open
range
them.
of songs that they have. It was such a good opening din naman na nakita mo sila in their element again. Grabe, ang tagal na panahon na hindi natin, ang last natin sila nakita was last April, DDCon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine 2 months lang, tagalan tayo.
Hindi, mga 3 months na. Pero, with this one ha, they were the star. I
Yeah.
mean, even Parokya in the Edgar, sinasabi di ba na parang paano sila level. Oh, wow. And this is where you, this is where you really crave for more after their performance, no? Kayo, sa outfit, what can you say?
I like it. I like the styling, in
Yeah.
fairness. And props to Mac Igala, ha. I mean, with the playing lights na medyo makulay yung lights na nagpe-play.
Stand
around.
out.
Oo, ang Igarta pala, Mac Igarta, sorry. Ang ganda ng makeup niya. Very classic. Alam mo yung hindi siya yung normal. He always has this touch to the voice na parang something is gonna be different pag nagpa-perform sila. Pero it's still a classic. Ang ganda ng presensya nila
Yeah.
sa stage.
Ako, sobrang thankful ako. Kinuha nila yung Tila Lua.
Ay, true!
I mean, nag-expect kasi ako baka pag Sibol album song lang yung kanta. Nilagay na nila yung Tila Lua. Oh my God, this is Irgasam again. Tas
Sure.
live pa. So,
Of course, hindi rin pwedeng mawala ang mapa.
True.
Inaabangan ng lahat. At napakaraming nanay sa audience. Ngayon lang ho napagtagpo ng aming management at ng inyo pong Matt Summer TV na ang amin po pala talagang audience ay karamihan ay nanay, mujing, mamu,
Mami.
ina, mother. Lahat po sila halos ay nanay.
True. In fairness, yung mga lumapit din sa atin na shout out sa X-Gen. Grabe. Natuwa lang ako kasi, you know, with everything that went on with the fandom prior to the event, parang pupunta pa ba tayo? Okay kaya tayo doon? In fairness ha, they still, na parang, uy, sama-sama tayong manood dito. Natuwa din ako dun sa crowd na kasama natin. It could have been different kung hindi sila yung kasama natin na crowd.
Yeah.
True.
So kudos to Team 402 Upper Box. I mean,
Yes.
oh my God, sa totoo lang yung concert experience won't be the same without them.
True.
Yeah.
Pero the earth-threatening words.
Naalala ko yun. Oh my God.
kasi ang Team 402, parang pinagsama-sama yung mga Pablo Biases. Kasi Diyos ko!
Actually, ang daming Pablo
Hindi naman
Biases
hindi nababanggit yung ibang pero yung Team 402 sa upper box.
And shout out dun
Grabe
sa
ang Pablo
hindi ko lang
Bias.
maalala kung sino siya.
Nagsama-sama.
Shout out dun sa humingi ng 5 panganay sa Mahalima.
Oo, T. Parang di ka gaganon, Beb.
Kalma. Gwapo naman talaga si Pablo
Kalma.
Uwi ako sa'yo! Wait lang!
Bababa na ako VIP!
Ano ba expected ko pa nga tayo yung medyo doon?
Oo.
Magbaligaling. Bakla, sabi ko, parang kaliwat kanan. Pablo, pakasalan mo ko.
Tapos ang nakakaloka sabi, sa'yo ako uuwi, Pablo! Tapos bigla mamaya, sisiw ako pero gusto ko si Pablo. Ako, guys, kalma kayo dyan.
Hindi mo kasi kakayanin na doon ka bias reveal.
Oo, kasi isa tulak lang sa laglag ako sa lower banks. Kakaloka.
Another thing that made it so special is we were with our ate Vanessa.
Yes.
And sabi naman niya, it came from her. It's her first real concert experience. I mean, she's been with
At ito
different...
na nga, nung nagkasilipan na ng gallery.
Wala kang bias, ate.
Phone ba to ni Pablo?
Makakala yung phone ng jowa no?
Hindi siya makamove on talaga.
True.
Well, sino ba makaka-move on pag napanood mo yung boys? And I'm so happy knowing na maraming first-timers.
True. And
Na first-timer mapanood yung boys. And thank you, Acer, for that. Diba?
hindi ko rin makakalimutan na i-drop talaga dito ang ating unang mga ate sa fandom, si Ate Kat! Oh my God! Ang ganda ni Ate Kat, no?
Correct.
Iba siguro yung simoy ng hangin sa US.
Oo. Para langit siya.
Lupa
tayo.
Parang we did not know that she's in the Philippines. And then nagsabi lang siya, asan ka? Sabi ko, ate, nasa Starbucks po. Sabi niya, saan yan? Sa lower ground po. So, gugulat kami. May parang alam mo yung very bagets na mother.
True.
Parang, ikaw na po pala yan!
Gusto kong baguhin yung pangalan ni Ate Kat. Kat Luminosay. At luminous si Madam. Ang puti. Pakakinis.
You know what? Natuwa ako na nakita ulit natin ang SLMT. Kailan ba natin huling narinig ang SLMT? Yun ba? Yung DDCon pa rin ata eh.
Para what I like about SLMT is talagang ito na napatalsik na talaga si wag mo ikunot ng iyong noo.
Oo
Parang
nga.
it was really pushed off the cliff.
Never ko pang narinig si wag mo ikunot ng yung noon in person.
Pero yung SLMT na siguro talaga yung magiging closing song nila. And what's important is if nasa upper box ka, of course medyo mas malayo ka sa artist. But makikita mo yung synchronization,
True.
yung blocking on stage.
Yes.
Perfect ang blocking of stage
True.
ng SB19. I mean, pag napanood mo siya sa taas, kita mo yung yung blocking ng SLMT and
Tapos, and then they ended it with, ano pangalan itong kantang to?
Mark your green mark.
Make your green
make your
mark.
mark.
Mark your green mark. Ano? Sasagot ka pa.
Make your
Feeling ko talaga ako yung tinutukoy ni Ken. Natutuwa pa rin ako sa kanya na, kumbaga, it's something na hindi ko alam pero I could still jive with.
Parang ito yun eh. It was composed by the Rad Kids. Tumingin ako. Hindi ko suot yung Rad Kids. It was composed by Rad Kids of the brother duo Pablo and
Josue.
And ang ganda nung nung jingle.
Sure.
Ang ganda nung robotic instrumentalizationism.
Yes.
Nalungkot din ako kasi akala ko naman when they sang the song, akala ko hindi pa yun yung end. Pero when I saw everyone going up the stage, na parang, shit, encore na pala yun.
And when I saw na yung oras na parang, oh my God, Zay, I really need to go home.
True. Totoo
Wait,
din naman.
wait, ganito, pag-usapan muna natin. After nung pinoform nila yan, may nag-flash screen. May radyo. Akala ko naman, another product from Acer. Yun pala, teaser na for their comeback.
Nag-flash ba?
Nag-flash.
Hindi ko talaga siya
Yung
diba?
radio.
Siguro nakafocus kasi ako sa baba. Hinahanap ko rin kasi si Ken. Si Ken medyo nagagano'n. Si Stel bumaba. Si Josh bumaba. So parang ako, di ko nakita. Yung nakita ko siya on Twitter na.
Strange times we live in. Just a few moments ago, what seemed like a gadget from the future was found in Manila. Incidentally, an eyewitness caught sight of 5 unidentified men leaving the scene. Currently, the location of these men are yet to be known. Authorities are putting up a reward for any leads.
At gusto lang naming linawin sa inyong lahat.
Hindi po.
Wala pong kinalaman. A management.
Ano ba yun?
Kasi alam mo, nung papunta po kami sa parking slot, ang dami ko nagme-message sa amin at
Dami
nagtatag.
True.
Oh my God.
Pinatayan na tayo.
Totoo naman to.
Brown out ba?
Bro, that.
Huy! Nandiyan yung boys, itago nyo.
Hello.
Ay, di. Ituloy natin to. Make your green mark. Wait lang. Tapusin na natin to.
Hello. Okay na ba? Nailapag na ba? Good. Mission accomplished, mga best. Naka-record pa ba?
Ay, naka-record eh.
Huwag kang magala. Di na. Charis, balikan na. Tapusin na natin to. May ilaw man or wala.
Nawalan talaga ng
Pero
ilaw,
natakot
legit.
ako ha. Bakit kailangan dun pa sa moment na yung namatay?
True, oo nga, no,
umiiyak pa ako. Okay, so, overall, what can you say about the concert?
The concert was good. Natuwa ako in fairness. I mean, isa sa hindi naman complaints, isa sa comments natin with DDCon is that it was more of a fan meet nga rather than a concert. Pero with this, parang we fully understood na now na it's their event. And, you know, we were just invited sa event
Yeah.
nila.
It's a brand ko.
Remember that they are also instruments na para maitawid nung brand.
Yung kanilang,
Yung kanilang product and their message, of course.
their message.
Kasi ang pinakang ayaw lang natin na maririnig, syempre,
Ay,
after
kung
the
dami ginawa
concert
ng Acer.
is, bakit ang unti ng exposure ng boys? So, of course, yun yung pinakang ayaw natin marinig ng Acer family na
Ingrato.
ungrateful.
ungrateful tayo dun sa sa pagkuha sa boys.
And speaking of the boys, they are a very very good brand ambassadors of Acer.
True.
Sobrang ganda. Kasi they parang ito yung Acer 'di ba? Parang they are hindi lamang youthful, but youthful na aware sa kanyang environment.
In fairness din naman, hindi naman tinipid ni Acer ang mga pa-premyo. Namigay sila ng laptop, namigay siya ng even yung mga tote bags nila, may punong-puno ng hoodie. So it was really still a good event. Congratulations sa mga nanalo ng raffle.
And you get the feeling that this is a concert na hindi mo lang basta-basta. You can get your way in
True.
just by having money.
Hindi, may umilaw, no, Harry?
Tama.
Parang napagalan ako eh.
Yung boys, naglalaban daw yung isa.
Ang kulit naman neto. Sabihin nyo, ay, huwag niyong sasaktan.
Huwag mo sasaktan lalo.
Pwede yung sasaktan yung nakapunit eh. Magagalit yung amo namin.
Ganun.
Yung red hair, tsaka purple hair. Pagsamahin mo sa isang kwarto. Well, anyway,
Yun,
yun nga.
yung isa daw, willing daw magbayad yung pamilyang, Tito Chento.
May pera, may ransom. May pangangailang, may pambayad pa ba tayo dito? Wala. Pero wag mo ibigay.
Yung isa
Dali mo sa ibang bansa. Pero yun nga, going back and to finally end it off, congratulations to Acer for bringing this bold event. When I say bold, kasi this is not just a concert for the fans, it's also a concert for the globe. I mean, for our Mother Nature.
Still a cause.
True.
Still ako. So, congratulations to the organizers. I hope magkakameron ng Acer Day 2023. And I hope...
Check your inbox.
Check your inbox,
Acer,
Bes.
please check your inbox. Kasi we really tried. We wanted to. Pakicheck po yung P-Popcon coverage.
Okay, pero this is really, parang wala talaga tayong plano talagang makigulo sa Acer
Yeah.
a day. But, we're content creators and the main job of content creators is to create content.
Yeah.
No shade. Diba? Ano gagawin natin dito, pancake?
True.
Di ba kaya ka tayo content creator to create
Oo.
content?
Let's go, ang kulit, kumakanta na.
Ay,
Oo.
Si
Yung
ano
mga,
yan?
mga lady guards natin, baka mapalin.
Sa likod may lagay.
Okay, marupok. Sabihin mo to sa mga guards.
Nag-reaction nila. Ayan, gawin
Oo,
ba?
so thank you very much guys for watching Matt Summer TV. This is our sincere thanks talaga to all the 18. Doon namin nadama yung pagmamahal nyo, pagpapapicture
Sobra.
nyo, pagbander nyo sa amin, pagbibiro, at sa mga mommies na nakakwentuhan namin. Hindi pa po yun ang ating huling pagsasama
Sure.
dahil we're cooking something. Magmamajong pa tayo mga
Yes,
mommies.
we're cooking something. Yes, ganyan yun.
for the
So-
meantime, hintay muna namin magkaroon ng kuryente.
True.
Oh, for the...
So thank you very much for watching this Acer concert review. This is your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Harry.
And this is Matt. If you want to support this channel, mag-donate po kayo using the links below, GCash, PayPal, and you can buy us a coffee at coffee.com/MattSummerTV.
Kulit daw talaga, Disney.
Papuntay mo dito, Charis.
Sino yung nakaponitin?
Yes! I need to talk to the leader now!
Bye!